Hi, my name is Joanne with Texas A&M AgriLife Extension, Hidalgo County. I am one of the FCH agents for the County of Hidalgo. Today, the president from the Masculine Volunteer, Ms. Pena, will be teaching us how to make a baked potato zapper. You will need 2 fabrics measured at 20 by 9, 100% natural cotton batting measured at 20 by 9, and your sewing supplies. Now, let's welcome Ms. Pena.
Hi, my name is Pena. I'm the president for Master's Clothing Volunteer Program. Today I will be teaching how to make a potato zapper, which is this. You will need, the supplies you will need are scissors, pins, a ruler, and a marker. You will also need 3 rectangular pieces, one for the outside, one for the lining, and one for the batting. For the batting, we're going to use the 100% cotton, natural cotton batting. This, you probably need to, what I did, I ironed it with a hot iron and steam to prevent shrinkage when you wash it. Okay. We're going to start by laying out the outside rectangular first with the lining, right side with right side. Then we're going to add the batting. Press it real good, make it even. Okay, the center. I cut mine 10 inches because I thought it would be a little bit too small if I made it 9. So I'm gonna center, I'm gonna mark the center. Now I'm going to come down 6 3/8 inches, which makes it about almost 6.5. Now we go to the other side and do the same thing. Also, you prefer not to do this way, you can do it rectangle. Just sew it all the way around. Okay, we're gonna start by sewing right here and ending about 3 inches. Okay, we're gonna pin. Now we're gonna be cutting that extra. If you're gonna do it this way, if you're gonna do it rectangle, you don't have to do this marking. Okay, now we're going to put a sewing machine and we're going to sew all the way around. Backstitch. So we're going to end. We're going to backstitch. We're done doing that. Okay. Now we're gonna go around and trim all the seams. Okay, we're gonna clip our corners. Be sure not to get too close to the thread. Now we're gonna turn inside out. Pull our corners out. We're gonna fold our opening in and pin it. Okay, now we're gonna press. We're gonna fold it back 7.5 inches. Right there. Now we're gonna go back and top stitch all the way around. Back stitch. And the other side. There is your potato stepper. You can also use it for corn, other kind of vegetables that you want to bake in the microwave. And the instructions will be on your instruction sheet. And that's it for today.
You may pause this video to read more information on the instructions. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us in our Facebook, AgroLife Extension Family Resources, Hidalgo County.